this time we're down with Saf's tuning. We're going to find out how much power the Aygo is making. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Getting the Dyno Pro on the wheels, ready for the dyno testing. Part of the prep work. It's going to keep the engine nice and cool. Oh no, it's already got warm. It's not good. I want to keep the intake temperature as low as possible for this. I'm just going to leave the bonnet open for a while. How much the car weighs, and obviously the wheels are heavier than standard, so that's going to put some factors in. We're actually measuring how much I am, or how much I weigh as well. So a lot of factors to make this an accurate test. We got to know how much the fuel tank capacity is as well. It's 35 litres, so glad we found that. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down because that this pipe here is a bit warm, which obviously means my intake temp's gonna be low. Sometimes I actually touch it and it's freezing cold, but been doing a bit of driving, so just let that air out for now. Oh, so that's your one, is it?
Yeah, that's one of mine.
What is it? What engine?
That's a 3 litre.
3 litre?
3 litre diesel, yeah.
Oh, diesel.
Yeah. Diesel power.
Yeah, I bet. What's the power figures like?
That standard is pushing 303 brake. First run, second run is 305 brake. And with a stage 1, they expected to have around 370 to 380 brake, but I've yet to dyno it, just haven't had the time.
That's your tune, is it?
That's my tune,
Yeah.
Around 370 to 380 brake.
Okay. Oh, that's really good gains for a stage 1. Yeah. That Jeep going.
Diesel power.
Yeah. Saf's tuning. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling a tinted plate now.
we've got at 6,000 about, let's see what exact RPM that is. About 6,300 RPM it peaks out at 75 horsepower in the second run. Well, on the first run it goes all the way to 78 before we start decelerating. So if we had kept going on and hit the limiter, it would have gone to 78 as well, because you can see the line is fluent and it's going all the way across as well. Same thing as the torque. On the measure 1, so you get rid of measure 2. On measure 1 we started off at 2,700 RPM, so all the torque was kicking in at once. You had 100 newton meters.
Yeah.
Measure 2, it was 94 newton meters.
Yeah.
And there you go, it's both in comparison. Basically, if we had both them identical, like started them off at 1,000 RPM and gone all the way to the rev limiter, both would have been exactly identical. But obviously, we didn't give enough time for this to finish off.
Yeah.
But so it's the first measure that you're interested in, 100 newton meters and 78 horsepower.
Yeah.
In the report format, let's have a look. So yeah, you get this emailed across to you later on tonight.
Sweet.
There you go, there's your power.
Yeah. So there you have it, guys. 78. Me and Saf were talking off camera about obviously how with age cars lose power. So as you know, standard this car is 68. So he was reckoning that this car, being 13 years old, was from standard before the mod started, was around the 64, 63 mark, maybe a little less than that. So now I'm going to show you the dyno graph. So as you can see, we're now at 78, which is past the stage 1, because stage 1's 72 to 75. Torque came on instant, which is great, because that's what the tune did. Like I said before, they tuned it for low end torque, and I didn't know that it all came in straight away. But yeah, that's really good to see. So stay tuned. I'm going to be using Saf for a lot of my testing now. Well, in my testing, so obviously I do my 0 to 60 tests, but I'll use Saf for my power gains tests. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @thatsilverygo, and go and check out Saf's tuning as well, because he does all kinds of stuff, custom tunes, as well as the standard tunes, with proved results. As you can see, he has his own dyno figures to back up the tunes, and he's mobile as well, so that makes it even better. So definitely go and check him out. I'll put a link to his Instagram in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.